Hello guys, welcome back. Now let us see one more interesting question. That is, let's say I have my data in my file servers. On my on-premise, I have my data on my file servers. Now, what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting to use S3 service. So I want to transfer my data from my on-premise file servers to S3. And I again need to sync the data to my on-premise periodically, because in S3 I have many analytical processor available and many analytical queries I can able to perform in S3. That means the data analysis becomes easy for me if I move my data to S3. Like if you consider, you can able to identify sensitive identifiable information in S3 by using Maze service, and you can able to even query the data by using Amazon Athena. So like that, many advantages are there if I move my data to S3. And one more thing I need is, I need the data into my on-premise servers as well. That means I need my data both in my on-premise file servers and S3. That means I need to sync my data between these storages, my on-premise file servers and S3. So I need a data transfer with the ability to schedule my periodic syncs and ensure data must be kept in current data must be kept in both on-premise file servers and S3. Now, for that, what is the best option to choose for this data sync between these two storages? So for that, I have multiple services in AWS, so you can provide me the best choice. The first option is data sync. The second option is transfer family. Third option is storage gateway. Fourth option is S3 transfer accelerator. So now it's time to pause the video and just think for your choice. Then again play the video so that you get to know what is the correct answer and why your option is correct or not. So that's also you got, and you will learn something from this video. So I hope you paused and replayed this video. Now let us see what is the correct answer. So the correct answer I am revealing, that is data sync. So why this data sync is correct, sir? Because its actual functionality is, it can able to transfer data between your on-premise file servers to S3. So its actual task is, it will transfer data between your on-premise servers and S3 with capabilities. With scheduling capabilities, you can able to transfer data between your S3 and on-premise files. So this is the thing. If we use this data sync service in AWS, then we can able to transfer data between our on-premise file servers and S3 with scheduling capabilities. Then now let us consider why not these three options. So let's consider transfer family. So when do you use this transfer family, sir? We use this transfer family for managing transfer of files. What is that? For secure file transfer, we use this transfer family. By using this transfer family, we can able to securely transfer our files between our file servers and S3, that is AWS services. Either it may be anything. By using SFTP protocol or FTPS or FTP, file transfer protocol. So by using some secure protocol, if we use this transfer family, then we can able to securely transfer our files from our on-premise to S3. So it will provide our secure transfer, but it does not able to implement our synchronization. We also require data sync, right? Yes. So that cannot be implemented by this, but this data sync can able to implement that synchronization. So that's why we are not preferring this transfer family compared to data syncs. because that is more efficient answer than this transfer. So I have also written the important point, that is this transfer family is used to offer secure file transfer between your on-premise and AWS cloud with secure protocols like file transfer protocol or secure file transfer protocol. This is also P, not O, and FTPS. So by using these three protocols, we can able to securely transfer the files between our on-premise and AWS services. Since the synchronization is not provided, this is eliminated. Now let's see why not this storage gateway, sir. Actually, this storage gateway we use for cloud backend storage. We can even connect to our S3 by using file system interface. By using the interface, we can able to, by using the storage gateway interface, we can able to connect it to S3, and we use that as cloud storage. It's actually integrate to your on-premise with your cloud. That is, it provides you hybrid storage. By using this storage gateway, you can able to create your hybrid storage by using cloud storage services like S3 or EBS. So like that, you can able to use one of the storage by using the storage gateway interface, and you can able to store your data and retrieve your data as well. But for large scale data migrations and ongoing transfers with scheduling, this data sync is more preferred compared to this storage gateway. So that's why this option is also eliminated. Then what about the last option, that is S3 transfer accelerator, sir? So the name itself specifying that this is highly suitable for transferring, for providing large performance, for providing high performance during transferring your files over large distances by increasing the speed and speeding up the transfer of your files to larger distances and increase the performance. We use this S3 transfer accelerator. So when do we use this S3 transfer accelerator? We use this for increasing the performance for long distance file transfers by speeding up the transfer of files. And basically it also does not provide synchronization. So since the basic purpose of this transfer accelerator is to increase the speed to move the files for larger distances, so it's also not the best choice for providing synchronization. So this is the best suitable option, that is DataSync, to provide synchronization between your on-premise file servers and S3 and transfer the data between them both and kept the current data in both file servers as well as S3. So that's why we chosen this. So I hope you get the answer and you get the question related answer, and you also get how to eliminate other options also. I hope this video is contentful. You got and you learned one question from this video. So thanks for watching.